Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. Simply have to click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started over here. Now from here, just right click and open the link incognito window. Wait for the page to fully load. From here, just scroll down and click on I understand. And from here, just do one thing. If you're unable to find this file, just go to My Drive, and from there also you can find the file over here. Double click on the file. From here, just come to the lab instruction. From here, just come to the manipulate data. Copy this thing from here, right? And then we have to just do one thing. We have to just come to the second cell over here, paste it like this, and you can see the column is updated. Once the column is updated, what we have to do, you have to just copy this thing from here. Okay, this thing you have to copy and come to the A8 shell, this one, paste it like this, click on this shell, right click, copy it, come back again, come down over here and just paste it like this, Control V, and then here you can click this clipboard icon or just right click. From here, I think, wait a second, right click, paste special values only. It is done. Now just come to the top, and from here you have to do one thing. First of all, try to check the score. You got the score. Now we have to find and replace the data. So from here, just copy this muffin, Control F, wait a second, Control F, 3 dots, muffin is added. Now from here, this sheet, and we have to replace blueberries. Okay, from muffin to blueberry muffin, and replace all. Done. So this thing is done. Now we have to just copy this adjusted delivery values, come to the top, paste over here, copy this formula, paste over here. It won't be shown, but the formula is visible, and then try to check the score. It's done. Now we are in the task number 3, and this is not George Meloni, it's Georgia Nikosi. Okay, so copy this name, and in the J2 section we are in the, this is J1, this is J2, paste it like this. This is K2, so from here just mention in the K2 section it is added. Now from here we have to just add a new sheet named discount. So copy the name, click on this plus icon, just this one, rename it discount. Done. Copy this formula from here, carefully copy it, paste over here like this. It is added. Try to check the score. Done. Now we have to just do one more thing. Copy this name from here, carefully copy it, come back again to the bulk order. Now this time it will be J3. We are in the J3. Paste it like this. For the formula K3, paste it like this. It is also added. Now we have to do one thing. Okay, so as we are getting a red flag, we have to just copy this formula and in the K3 paste it like this and try to just update via any error. So for K4, just copy it. This is K4. Okay, we are in the K4. We got the true output over here. And in the K3, just copy this formula and just replace it like this. You can see record not found, and this is how we completed the lab. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.